Hello and welcome back to Patriot Contraptions. Today we are checking out the Harbor Freight Budget knee pads. As you can see, I have their Western Safety hard knee pad and their soft flexible model knee pads. Both of these have some pros and cons. Let's get into it. First off, the obvious point, this one is hard. And by hard, they don't really mean super solid. It's not like one of those hard plastic fronts. It's actually a flexible, rubberized front. As you can see, this flexes quite nicely and allows it to mold to the surface it's sitting on, which is something I personally like. It gives you that little softer front, so when you're kneeling there, you're not going to be rolling all over the place. Then you've got a ton of padding in the back of this, about an inch thick of padding that is very comfortable as well. Now on the soft knee pad, you don't have that hard front, but it is good for if you're putting in something inside where you're on like a floor, like maybe a hardwood floor where you're putting in nails or something like that. We don't really want to wear a hard knee pad because just that extra weight isn't quite necessary, but at the same time you want some padding. This is very comfortable for that, is what I have found. So this is more of my indoor knee pad. This is more of my outdoor knee pad. Now, one of the key differences between wearing both of these knee pads, I've worn both of them for about a week each, alternating between the two, is the straps. As you can see, the soft shell knee pad has two straps. This makes it extremely comfortable to wear for a long period of time. You're going between kneeling and standing up all the time. This is extremely comfortable. On the other hand, for some reason, they only went with one strap, and even though it's a wider strap, it's not the most comfortable on the hard surface knee pad. And I found that when wearing this, it tends to try to slide down on me when I stand up and down a lot, and it gets caught right in that place behind your knee there, where your joint bends. It just tends to get caught in there, and after a while, just starts to hurt a little bit. So I'm not sure why they only put one strap on this. It doesn't really bother you if you're up on your knees, like in a crawling position. It does bother you if you're actually sitting down on your knees trying to put something in, like, say, nailing into the side of something. So there you have it. That's the key differences between these two budget knee pads. They're both really great knee pads for the value. I'm not going to try to rate either one of them higher than the other because they are for different purposes. But definitely go check them out at Harbor Freight. And I'll see you in the next episode. Patriot Contraptions. Hoping you have a fantastic day. See you later.